Hello friends, my name is Pratham Sinha and I am from CMS Aliganj Sector or Lucknow branch. Today I am here to show you my new project which I named as IOT Weather Station. So here is it. I have made this project to help farmers to so that they can see the condition of their farm from anywhere around the world through internet. Also, they can provide water to their plants by checking the soil moisture in their soil. So I am turning on the power of this system. So as you can see it is turned on. So there are two systems in this project. First is the temperature and humidity monitoring system which monitors the temperature and humidity of the air and of the farm and gives the readings to the mobile through internet. And the second system is the watering system which gives water to the plants. So first see that how uh, the monitoring system checks the detects the reading of the air and transfers this readings to the mobile phone. So as you can see that these are the readings of temperature and humidity. This is the temperature reading and this is the humidity reading. These readings update every 1 second and these readings are sent to the mobile through internet by this motherboard. This is known as Node MCU which has inbuilt Wi-Fi. Now let's talk about the watering system. The watering system is controlled by this motherboard which is named as Arduino Uno. You can see here this is the relay which and this is the only part which is connected to the water pump. Now you can see two LEDs on this relay. First is the red LED and second is the green LED. The red LED indicates the power and the green LED indicates the IO, which means that the pump is on or off. If this LED is on, which this means that the pump is also on, and if this LED is off, then the pump is also off. This is the soil moisture sensor which is plugged into the soil. So as you can see that I have some dry soil. So I am putting this soil moisture sensor into the soil. So as you can see that the soil is dry. That's why the green LED is on, which tells the pump is also on. So now I am pouring some water in the soil and you can see the changes here. So as you can see that when the soil has got sufficient amount of water, the green LED has turned off, which means that the pump which is connected to this uh, relay is also turned off. So let's learn more about the systems in this project. So let's talk about the watering system. The components are an Arduino Uno, a soil moisture sensor, and a relay. The connections are as follows. So let's see how it works. The soil moisture sensor detects the amount of water in the soil. When the sensor detects no water, it gives a 0 volt or a low signal to Arduino. As per the program of Arduino, it will give 5 volt or high signal to relay which is connected to the water pump. When the field gets sufficient amount of water, the sensor detects water and gives a high signal to Arduino. As per the program of Arduino, it will give a 0 volt or low signal to relay, thus turning off the water pump. Now let's talk about the temperature and humidity monitoring system. The components are Node MCU and a temperature and humidity sensor. The connections of these are as follows. So let's see how it works. Node MCU has inbuilt Wi-Fi. It gets temperature and humidity data from the sensor and sends it to the mobile through Wi-Fi. We can see the data in Blink application on mobile. Thank you for watching this video. This project was made by Pratham Sinha First Class ARC CMS Aliganj Sector O Lucknow.